What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. And does your desktop look like this multitask set of games and Discord chats and videos and things like that while you're still working on things? I've got the perfect app for you. So I've developed InfinitePIP. If we go ahead and open up InfinitePIP, you'll see that we get this nice interface here. Now, what you'll see is we can choose a monitor, window, region, and even manage the active pips. So let's say I want to work on this project with all this other stuff running in the background. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put Discord on my left screen, and of course you could do this on one screen as well, but I'll show you how to do all that. So Discord is on my left screen, and then I'm going to put YouTube on my right screen, and then I'm going to leave this running, and we want to be able to still use our project, like right in our project, while viewing YouTube and the game and whatever else, right? So what I could do is I could choose my left monitor and create a pip, and here we have a picture-in-picture of the Discord window that I moved to my left monitor. We can resize it, make it bigger or smaller, and put it wherever we want. So if we're in a call, we can still see who we're talking to. What about this game? I can go over here to Windows and scroll down until I see the appropriate window. Here's Legends of Eidolon. Let's go ahead and click on that. And we can put our game over here. Now, the really cool thing about this is it automatically detects the sizes of windows. So if I change this, normally a pip would break because the aspect ratio would change, but I can actually adjust it, and the pip itself is also going to adjust in size so it stays at the same ratio so it can be viewed in the top right corner. You might be saying, okay, but if I open this, now there's pips, which is great, and what can I do with that? Well, you can have some stuff show in front and some stuff in back. So let me make one more pip, actually. I'm going to do one on my right monitor just to show you how powerful this is. Let's do this one. Here we go. So now we have my game, we have Discord, and we have a pip for YouTube. And then I'm going to open this up, and let's take a look at some of the options we have. So let's just play a video here. So now I've got our video playing, I've got a game playing, and I've got Discord. Now let's say I don't want to see Discord all the time. We can choose not always on top and then hide that. I realized I was in the way when I tried to hide one. So what you can actually do is you right click and say not always on top, and then it won't always be on top. If you right click and choose always on top, it will be on top. And let's say we still need to see some of the tools. We can actually go in here and choose opacity and change this to like 50% opacity. And now you can see through everything that's on the screen. So even if it's full screen, you can still see everything that's there, which is super useful. You can do that for videos as well. So if I change this opacity to like 50 as well, then it becomes transparent, and it makes it really easy to use Windows and do other stuff while you're still being able to view those pips. So yeah, definitely click the link in the description below. If you're a patron, you can download this for free. Otherwise, you can pick it up for a very low $2.50 cost. Let me know what you think in the comments, and if you have any suggestions for this, I am all ears. Hope you have a good one. Drop in the Discord, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. Catch you later. Peace.